Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to save a route on Google Maps Android. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the route you want to save. For example, if you are planning to travel from your home to your office, type in your home address as the starting point and your office address as the destination. After entering your route, tap on the directions button. This will show you the suggested routes to your destination, along with estimated travel times. Once the routes are displayed, zoom in to check the details of the route. Now look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with additional options. In this menu, you will see an option that says Add Route to the home screen. Tap on this option to proceed. A prompt will appear asking if you want to add the route to your home screen automatically. Tap on Add Automatically. This will create a shortcut to the route on your home screen. Once the shortcut is added, you will see a new icon in your home screen with the route you saved. This icon looks like a Google Maps pin with the same route name. Now go back to your home screen and you will see the route shortcut. You can tap on this shortcut anytime you want to quickly access the saved route. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.